Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror any Android tablet to Google TV Streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both Android tablet and Google TV Streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Let me go to this tablet and open this settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this tablet to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV Streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. Let me go to tablet. We need to install one app, this Google Home app from Google Play Store. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. We need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Tap here. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. See, Google Home app has detected this Google TV Streamer. Tap on this name Google TV Streamer. Tap on Cast My Screen. Tap on Cast Screen. Tap on Start Now. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation, then rotate the screen like this. So that way we can switch display to full screen. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Let me tap on this Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.